Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Enable Internet if needed and confirm the Kaggle API token is present. Once done, attach the dataset from the notebook right pane or upload files directly. This ensures consistent paths. You should check the dataset slug and directory under /Kaggle/input so your code can reference files reliably. Make sure to restart the kernel after attaching large datasets so file mounts register. This step prevents path errors and speeds up later data loading. Next, load and inspect the data so you know structure and size. Use pandas. Read CSV for text CSVs or FastParquet for columnar formats. This choice affects speed and memory. Start by listing files with ls or os. List year to avoid file name typos, then read a small sample or use nrows to conserve RAM. Once loaded, call df, head, and df. Info to check dtypes and missing values, if memory is tight. Downcast numeric types or load in chunks. These checks prevent surprises during modeling. Finally, apply preprocessing steps and save results back to /Kaggle/working so outputs persist and can be downloaded. Use efficient formats like Feather or JobLib to speed later reloads and compress large files to save quota. Once saved, create checkpoints and optionally publish your dataset version. If something goes wrong, check the dataset path, confirm your Kaggle API token isn't expired, and make sure Internet is enabled in notebook settings. Often a misnamed folder or disabled Internet is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.